I want to show you one of the ways that I mix color. And you can actually mix color directly on the screen. So what I've done here is I've picked 3 colors that are analogous, which means on a color wheel they sit next to each other so they won't muddy each other. And I've loaded up my brush. The colors will mix and your brushes will get dirty while you do this, but you can lay your color on any way you want. I'm going to go for kind of a striped effect here. By just overlaying it with each other, it'll mix up and get some contrast. And if you want to keep it clean, I just hit that blue and mixed it. So if I wanted this purple to stay more pristine, I would have started from the outside and worked in. But then if you want to play with, with blending and mixing, you can do that, which can be very fun. Get some really nice effects that way, and it really starts getting good if I continue on and keep making more and more and more strikes, because the colors will continue to mix and blend. Let's see what happens if I just use the colors that are there. There's something that is more sophisticated in a color range, I find, by mixing this way than by using things straight from the jar. So this got a little bit more subtle. Things got a little bit more paled out. Next, I'm going to mix 2 colors directly on the screen. So I'm using a metallic bronze color and a metallic russet. So I put a bead of paint right above where the image is. And pull that color, pull that color. If you want to keep the integrity of the colors a little more clear, use separate brushes for each color. Although as I go along, I tend to get less careful about that and get some pretty interesting mixes in the process. Ooh, nice. That's beautiful. You can do some really great things by layering one color on top of another. So here I'm going to just use the same brush and see what happens in the blending when I pull the paint through using my bronze brush. Ooh, that's lovely too.